Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tutor Talks, where English feels easy and fun.
That's right. I'm Jack.
And I'm Lara.
Today, we're talking about one of the most useful topics in English, your job.
You'll learn how to describe what you do, your daily tasks, your work environment, and even your future career dreams.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your work life confidently and naturally, just like a native speaker.
Ready? Let's get started.
So, Lara, when someone asks you, what do you do? What's the best way to answer?
Easy. Just say your job title. I'm a teacher. I'm a designer. You can also say, I work as a, for example, I work as a graphic designer.
Exactly. And if you don't have a job yet, say, I'm a student or I'm looking for a job.
Oh, and if you work for a company, say, I work for a tech company. If you're your own boss, you can proudly say, I'm self-employed.
Nice phrase, self-employed. It means you manage your own business or projects.
Right. Let's practice together. Say it aloud with us. I work as a, I work for.
All right, Lara. Let's talk about what we do every day at work.
Sure. You can start with your main responsibilities. For example, I teach English to students every day, or I design marketing materials for clients.
Good. You can also say, I'm responsible for, like, I'm responsible for answering emails, or I'm responsible for organizing meetings.
And here's a great native phrase. A typical day at work looks like this.
So, for example, a typical day at work looks like checking emails, attending meetings, and writing reports.
Perfect. Now your turn. Think about your job or school routine. Can you describe it in 1 or 2 sentences?
Let's move to the daily routine. What time you start, finish, and what you usually do.
I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. Or I usually start early and finish late.
And don't forget the small details, like I have lunch with my coworkers. I take a short coffee break in the afternoon.
Details like these make your English sound real and natural. Now, let's talk about where you work and the atmosphere.
You can say, I work in an office. I work from home. I have a hybrid job. Some days at home, some in the office.
And for atmosphere, my workplace is formal. That means you wear suits and follow strict rules. Or my workplace is informal. You can wear jeans and be relaxed.
Here are some key words. Boss, your manager. Coworker, your colleagues. Client, a person or company you work for. Deadline, the final time to finish your task. Team, your work group.
And don't forget flexible hours. It means you can choose when to start or finish work.
Okay, Lara, real question. Do you like your job?
I love it. I get to teach English, meet amazing learners, and be creative every day.
That's great. You can say, I like my job because it's creative. Or, I love my job because I help people.
But let's be real. Every job has good and bad sides. You can say, what I enjoy most is, or what I enjoy least is.
For example, what I enjoy most is helping students learn. What I enjoy least is the paperwork.
Perfect. And if you want to change jobs, say, I'm looking for a new opportunity, or I want a job with better work-life balance.
Nicely said. That's natural English you can use in real conversations.
Now let's go back in time. How do you talk about your past jobs?
Used to. For example, I used to work in a restaurant. I used to be a student, but now I'm a manager.
And tell people what you learned. In my last job, I learned how to manage a team. I learned how to communicate with customers.
That shows your growth, and employers love to hear that.
Now the exciting part, your future goals.
You can say, in the future, I'd like to, or my goal is to.
For example, in the future, I'd like to become a team leader. My goal is to start my own business.
Or even, my dream job is to travel the world and work online.
I love that. So everyone watching, what's your dream job? Say it out loud or write it in the comments.
Now let's flip the script. How do you ask someone else about their work?
Start with simple, polite questions. What do you do? Do you like your job? How long have you worked there? What's a typical day like for you?
These questions are perfect for small talk and help you sound confident in English conversations.
Wow, we've covered a lot today, from job titles to future dreams.
Now it's your turn. Describe your own job or dream career using today's phrases.
Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar. It's about confidence and connection.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tutor Talks, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And tell us in the comments, what do you like most about your job? Or what's your dream job?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thanks for joining us on Tutor Talks.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.